Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking the essential details, your iPhone model and iOS version so you know which method applies. Once done, unlock the device and open settings. Make sure the screen stays awake. Tap battery right away, that's where the option lies. If you're on older iOS or a model without a persistent status percentage, prepare to use Control Center later. Make sure to keep the instructions in view so you don't miss the toggle we're about to enable. Next, go into Settings, then Battery, and locate Show Percentage. Toggle it on. You're doing this because Apple controls status bar elements per model and iOS, so toggling here tells the system to display numbers. If you don't see the toggle, don't worry. Models with Face ID hide percentage in the status bar, but show it inside Control Center. Once toggled, exit Settings and check the status bar or swipe down from the top right to confirm the number appears. Finish by verifying the percentage appears where expected, the status bar on supported models or inside Control Center for others. If it doesn't show, restart the iPhone first because a reboot often refreshes UI elements. If restarting fails, update iOS to the latest version. Missing toggles can be an OS issue. As a last resort, reset settings to restore defaults, but beware you'll reconfigure Wi-Fi and preferences. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves remaining display issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.